Hey everybody, welcome to Sculpey Creations. I'm Steve Piacenza.
And I'm Kathy Fillion.
Today we're going to show you 6 beginner techniques for making pendants with Liquid Sculpey.
So we're going to be using the traditional transparent Liquid Sculpey, plus the glam metallics, plus the gold and silver, and the pearl. And we're going to be mixing all sorts of additives into those to create these cool, beginner-friendly, we promise beginner-friendly, pendants.
So we're going to show you metallics, crystal, beach glass, boho alcohol inks, pastel pearl, and glitter.
Now each of these techniques can be done in a variety, or a rainbow, we should say,
sure.
A rainbow of colors.
Yeah, lots of colors today. Should we get started?
Let's do it. Liquid Sculpey comes in gold, silver, rose gold, and bronze. Squeeze the Liquid Sculpey into the mold. Gold and silver bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Bronze and rose gold bake at 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a toothpick to guide the liquid around the stem. Trim any excess on the edges with detailed scissors and pierce the hole with a toothpick. You can use fine, chunky, and flake glitter. Fill the pendant well and add transparent Liquid Sculpey. Gently mix. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The beach glass look is made with chalk pastels and transparent Liquid Sculpey. Scrape some chalk pastels and mix with transparent Liquid Sculpey. The crystals are made with colored extra fine glitter and chunky glitter. Mix with translucent Liquid Sculpey. Add chunky glitter. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Use chalk pastels and pearl Liquid Sculpey to create pastel pearl colors. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Alcohol inks create deep texture when combined with transparent Liquid Sculpey. Mix a little for texture look, mix a lot for a solid look.
Well, I really like the way you chained up this pendant.
Thank you. So this pendant, I love it. It turned out such a deep, rich color. Really matches my shirt good. Yeah. This was done with the alcohol inks. And one thing that we didn't talk about that I love is how lightweight these pendants are.
Oh, yeah.
And if you're hosting a craft night with a bunch of girlfriends, or maybe you've got teens and tweens coming over for a slumber party or something, this is a really fun activity for beginners. For someone who's never even crafted with Liquid Sculpey, you can walk away with really cool pendants.
And you know what? These are good gifts that I can make for friends and sisters.
Right? Yes, your sisters would love these.
Yeah. So we hope you make some pendants with some Liquid Sculpey.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.